Today's recipe is an amazing and delicious minced beef and cheese tortilla wrap. Make sure that you watch the recipe entirely in order to get the best results. Now for this recipe I've got here 500 grams of minced beef with 12% fat content. And the reason why we want a bit of fat in there is because whilst cooking, the beef can get a bit too dry. That's why you want a bit of that fat content. But if you wish to go lean, then 5% will do just fine. And to our beef, I want to get in 1 small white onion. I'm gonna chop it finely, same with 2 cloves of garlic. Now, all this can go over the beef. Now, in terms of seasoning, this is what I'm adding. A teaspoon of table salt, half teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Now, you could very well stop here, but I've got something else. I've got a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and also a tablespoon of ketchup. And we also have here some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going in with about a teaspoon. Now clean hands and let's mix everything together until all these ingredients are well combined. Now that I'm happy with what we've got here, let's put these tortilla wraps together. Go with a thin layer of the minced beef and try to cover the entire part of the wrap. Once you've done that, we can go in with the cheese, but only on one side because we're gonna fold the 2 parts together. Now when it comes to cooking, set the pan on medium heat, and to this we're going with about 10 grams of butter. Now with the butter melted, we can go in with our minced beef and cheese wraps. Now in terms of cooking, it should take about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, but this will depend a lot on how thick your layer of minced beef actually is. Once you take it off the heat, you might want to give it just a minute or 2 until the cheese sets and you can dig in. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.